you're experiencing the Nintendo Switch matchmaking error 2025, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Begin by completely powering off your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for about 3 seconds, select power options, and then choose restart. This can help clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and then Test Connection. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 3. Update your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your console is running the latest software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then System Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 4. Adjust NAT settings. Check your NAT type, as a strict NAT can cause matchmaking issues. Go to System Settings, select Internet, then Internet Settings, and check your NAT type. If it's type 3, consider adjusting your router settings to enable UPnP or port forwarding. Step 5. Reconnect to online services. If the error persists, disconnect and reconnect to Nintendo's online services. Go to System Settings, select Users, choose your user profile, and then select Link Nintendo account. Follow the prompts to reconnect. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.